Real quick, guys, I just wanted to go over how I was able to get my second truck via the Navy Federal credit card hack. All right, well, I went to buy this truck right here, and they told me that if I use my credit card as a down payment, that it would be a 5% fee. So I told them they bumped their head. So what I did is I went ahead and loaded my Navy Federal Go card, and I loaded it for $9,900 because there's a 10K limit. So once I did that, I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and check and see if I can purchase some money orders. So I went ahead and purchased my first money order for $1,500. That went through. So I knew there was a 3K limit a day on the purchase. So what I went ahead and did the second one, $1,495, and that went through. So then I went to the bank, was able to deposit the money orders, and was told I could get a free cashier's check, or up to $5,000 daily. So I went ahead and did that. But again, this was over a course of a couple days. So I was able to get $15,000 because that was the down payment they wanted for the truck. And I had the cash, but why do cash when you do credit and pay it a month later? So basically, with this Navy Federal hack, it helped me to get a truck and maintain my cash while I'm on the road. And while I'm on the road, and I'm able to pay it back this month. So, man, this is some sauce, man, that I hadn't heard, from the other gurus and everything. Not to say that I didn't learn from them, but, man, I was waiting to see if I'd heard this. And, man, I didn't know you could go get money orders, deposit it, then get a cashier's check. So, man, if you like what you're hearing here and you get any kind of use out of this, like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video, man. Hope you get something out of this. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.